with everything that we see happening these days with banks, Jamaican banks having issues, international banks having issues, even Swiss banks are having issues, and those banks were what everybody thought was safe. So with all of these issues that we see with banks, I can understand that, you can feel a little skittish about putting your money in a bank, because after all, this is our hard-earned money, and we're not going to put that money anywhere where we're at risk of losing it. So what are we supposed to do in these times? How do we protect ourselves? You know the answer. Trust but verify. But I'm going to add an next piece. Diversify. You have to diversify the different investments that you have. All of your eggs can be in one basket. You have to spread a little bit here, a little there, a little there. And when we talk about asset classes, a really great asset class for diversification is real estate. Sometimes the safest place can be in the ground. Putting your money into physical properties and buying properties as investment properties can be a really good alternative for when you're thinking about diversifying outside of the financial assets like stocks and bonds. So let's think about real estate as we think about, trust, verify, diversify.